Hi, in this lesson we'll create our new Vue project and we will initialize our project using progressive web app template provided by the Vue team. And to initialize the project we will use vue init command, progressive web app template, and our project name is Krypton. We will use the same project name and short name would be the same as well. Project description would be cryptocurrency watcher. Author is me. We'll use runtime plus compiler option. We need vue-router. We would need ESLint as well. And for ESLint we will use standard template. Karma mocha for unit test, no. End-to-end test, no. And now we will browse to our project folder and install our dependencies. Now we will run our project using npm run dev command. This is the default PWA template provided by the Vue team, and in the next lesson we'll start building our project using this template. Thank you for watching.